Today I'm going to teach you how to duplicate projects in Adobe Express. This is incredibly useful when you want to create multiple versions of a design or reuse a template without starting from scratch each time. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Adobe Express account using your credentials. This gives you access to all your saved projects and design files. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Adobe Express homepage. From here, look for the section labeled Recent Files. This area displays all the projects you've been working on lately, making it easy to pick up where you left off or access your most frequently used designs. Next, you'll want to click on View All. This button expands your recent files view, showing you a complete list of all your projects rather than just a handful. It's especially helpful if you have many designs saved and need to scroll through more options to find the specific project you're looking for. Now comes the key step. Locate the project you want to duplicate from your list of files. Once you've found it, look for the three dotted lines icon beside the project. This icon represents the menu of actions you can take for that particular file. Go ahead and click on it to reveal your options. From the menu that appears, you'll see several choices for managing your project. Find and click on Duplicate. This action tells Adobe Express that you want to create an exact copy of your selected project, preserving all the design elements, text, images, and formatting. A dialog box will pop up prompting you to enter a file name for your duplicated project. This is where you'll give your new copy a unique name so you can easily identify it later. Choose something descriptive that helps you distinguish it from the original. Once you've typed in your desired file name, click the Duplicate button to confirm. Adobe Express will now create a complete copy of your project with the new name you've specified. This duplicate will appear in your files list alongside your original, and you can edit it independently without affecting the source project. This makes it perfect for creating variations of designs, testing different color schemes, or adapting a template for different purposes. And there you have it, you've successfully duplicated your Adobe Express project and can now work on multiple versions without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.